That night, Jungkook couldn't sleep. His phone lit up, another message. Taehyung, I know you are awake. I can see the lights on in Jimin's apartment from here. Jungkook, going to the window, seeing a black car parked across the street. Are you watching me? Taehyung, always. I told you, you're mine to protect. Jungkook, you're a creep. A stalker. Taehyung, I'm a man in love. Come down. Let's talk. Face to face. Jungkook, no. Taehyung, please. 5 minutes. In the car. Just you and me. Jungkook, so you can kidnap me? Taehyung, if I wanted to take you, I would have already. I'm asking. Nicely. 5 minutes of your time. Jungkook, and if I refuse? Taehyung, then I'll sit here all night, waiting, hoping you'll change your mind. Jungkook, looking at Jimin's sleeping form on the other couch. Fine. 5 minutes. Then you leave. Taehyung, I'll be waiting. Jungkook crept out of the apartment, fury and curiosity mixing. The car door opened as he approached. Taehyung sat in the back seat, dressed in a dark suit, looking every bit the dangerous man he was. Jungkook, getting in but staying as far as possible. Talk. 5 minutes. Taehyung, studying him in the dim light. You've lost weight. You're not sleeping. You're stressed. Jungkook, whose fault is that? Taehyung, calmly, mine. I take full responsibility, which is why I'm here to offer a solution. Jungkook, there is no solution except you leaving me alone. Taehyung, leaning forward slightly, come back. Live in the penthouse, your own room, your own space, full access to the dark room, all the equipment you need, no pressure, no expectations. Jungkook, except being your prisoner. Taehyung, voice firm, except being safe, provided for, and able to create freely without worrying about rent or food or opportunities. Jungkook, I'd rather starve than accept your charity. Taehyung, slight smile, your pride is admirable. Also foolish, you're hurting yourself to spite me. Jungkook, good. Maybe if I hurt enough, you'll feel guilty and let me go. Taehyung, expression hardening, I'll feel guilty, but I won't let you go. Those are two separate things. Jungkook, voice breaking, why are you doing this to me? Taehyung, voice softening just slightly, because I love you. Because the thought of you struggling, hungry, unsafe, it's unbearable. Jungkook, then your love is torture. Taehyung, a flicker of pain crossing his face, one tear forming, wiping the tear quickly, voice returning to firm. You're right. I'm not the victim. Leaning closer, but neither are you a martyr. You're a stubborn man making himself suffer for pride. Come home, Jungkook. Jungkook, it's not home. Taehyung, it will be. Eventually. When you're ready to stop fighting the inevitable. Jungkook, hand on the door handle. 5 minutes are up. I'm leaving. Taehyung, grabbing his wrist gently but firmly. Wait. Jungkook, trying to pull away. Let go. Taehyung, not letting go, but not hurting him either. I'm not asking you to love me. I'm not even asking you to like me. I'm asking you to accept reality. You need stability, safety. I'm offering both. Jungkook, in exchange for my freedom. Taehyung, pulling him slightly closer. In exchange for your safety. Freedom is an illusion anyway. Everyone is trapped by something. Money, circumstance, fear. At least with me, you're trapped in comfort. Jungkook, eyes blazing. You're insane. Taehyung, eyes intense. Yes, insane for you. Obsessed with you. Completely consumed by you. And I'm done pretending otherwise. Jungkook, feeling his resolve wavering under that intense gaze. I can't. Taehyung, releasing his wrist, sitting back. You can. When you're ready. I'll wait, but not much longer. Jungkook, your suffering has a time limit. Mine doesn't. Jungkook, scrambling out of the car. Stay away from me. Taehyung, calmly. Impossible. I'll see you soon. Whether you come willingly or circumstance forces your hand. As Jungkook rushed back to the building, he heard Taehyung's voice one more time. Taehyung, you're beautiful when you're angry. I could watch you fight me forever. Jungkook, not turning back. Fuck you. Taehyung, to himself, smile playing on his lips. Soon enough. 2 weeks later, Everything collapsed at once. Jungkook's bank account hit zero. The small freelance jobs he'd managed to get all mysteriously cancelled. Jimin's landlord raised the rent suspiciously right when Jungkook was staying there. Jimin, staring at the notice. This is triple what I was paying. Jungkook, knowing immediately, he bought the building. Didn't he? Jimin, Kook, Jungkook, checking his phone, a new message. Yep, Taehyung, I'm sorry about Jimin's rent situation. I can fix it immediately if you come home. Otherwise, I'm afraid his landlord, me, will have to enforce the new rate. Business is business. Jungkook, you're using my best friend to manipulate me? Taehyung, I'm showing you that resistance has consequences, not just for you. Come home. End this. Jungkook, I hate you. You're a monster. Taehyung, I know. Come home anyway. Jimin, reading over his shoulder. Kook, I can't afford triple rent. I'll have to move. Jungkook, guilt crushing him. This is my fault. He's punishing you because of me. Jimin, this isn't your fault. Jungkook, it is. Everything is. Everyone I love suffers because of me. Jimin, because of him. Jungkook, standing up, defeated. What's the difference anymore? Call him. Tell him I'll come back. Jimin, Kook, no. Jungkook, voice hollow. I have no choice. I'm out of money. You're about to be homeless because of me. My family is only safe because of his men. I've lost. He won. Jimin, hugging him. I'm so sorry. Jungkook, not hugging back. Numb, don't be. This was always going to happen. He made sure of it. He picked up the phone, typing slowly. Jungkook, I'll come back. But if you ever threaten Jimin again, if you touch him or his life in any way, I'll find a way to destroy you. Even if it destroys me too. Taehyung, understood. Jimin's rent returns to normal immediately. I'll have a car there in 20 minutes. Jungkook, I need time to pack. Taehyung, everything you need is already here. Just bring yourself. That's all I've ever wanted. Jungkook, I'm doing this under duress. This is coercion. Taehyung, call it whatever helps you sleep at night. I call it coming home. Jungkook, to Jimin, he's sending a car. Jimin, you don't have to do this. Jungkook, yes, I do. And we both know it. 20 minutes later, the familiar black car arrived. Jungkook stood at the building entrance, looking back at Jimin's apartment. Jungkook, to himself, this is it. The moment I stop fighting, the car door opened. But instead of a driver, it was Taehyung himself. Taehyung, stepping out, dressed impeccably. I wanted to bring you home myself. Jungkook, glaring, how considerate. Taehyung, approaching slowly. You made the right choice. Jungkook, I made the only choice you left me. Taehyung, voice soft but firm. Details. You're coming home. That's what matters. Jungkook, venomously, this isn't a happy reunion. Don't act like it is. I'm coming because you forced me. Because you're a manipulative, controlling bastard who can't take no for an answer. Taehyung, not reacting to the insults. I know. And yet here we are, gesturing to the car. Shall we? Jungkook, I hope you know I'll make your life miserable. I'll fight you every day. I'll never smile at you, never be kind to you, never ever give you what you want. Taehyung, slight smile. I'm counting on it. Your fire is one of the things I love most about you. Jungkook, you're sick. Taehyung, opening the car door. Probably. Get in. Jungkook, one last look at freedom, then getting in. I hate you. Taehyung, getting in beside him, maintaining distance. I know. You've mentioned it. Frequently. Drive to the penthouse was silent. Jungkook stared out the window, feeling like he was driving toward his own execution. Taehyung, quietly, I know you think this is the end of your life, but I promise, it's just the beginning of ours. Jungkook, there is no ours. There's you and your prisoner. Taehyung, voice firm, you're not a prisoner. You can leave whenever you want. You'll just find that all roads lead back to me. Jungkook, that's the definition of imprisonment. Taehyung, that's the definition of inevitability. They arrived at the penthouse. Taehyung led him inside. And Jungkook noticed immediately things had changed. Jungkook, looking around. What? What is all this? Taehyung, gesturing. Your photography studio. Fully equipped. The dark room is through there. Everything you could possibly need. I had it set up while you were gone. Jungkook. Why? Taehyung. Because your art matters. Even if you hate me, your passion deserves to thrive. Jungkook. Touching the expensive equipment, conflicted. This doesn't change anything. Taehyung. I know. But it makes things more comfortable. For both of us. Jungkook. Turning on him. Don't act like you're doing me a favor. You trapped me. Then gilded the cage. That doesn't make you generous. Taehyung. Calmly. It makes me practical. An unhappy you benefits no one. A creative, fulfilled you, even if you hate me, is better for everyone. Jungkook. I'll never be fulfilled here. Taehyung. Stepping closer. You might surprise yourself. Now, your bedroom is ready. Same rules as before. Your space. Your privacy. I won't enter without permission. Jungkook. How gracious of you to respect basic boundaries. Taehyung. Ignoring the sarcasm. Dinner will be ready in an hour. I made your favorite. Jungkook. I'm not eating with you. Taehyung. Voice dropping to something firmer. Yes, you are. I'm not asking. You've lost weight. You're clearly not taking care of yourself. You'll eat. Properly. Starting tonight. Jungkook. You can't make me. Taehyung. Stepping very close. Presence overwhelming. Can't I? We both know I can. But I'd prefer you choose to. So choose. Jungkook. Dinner at the table with me. Or I have it brought to your room and watch you eat every bite. Jungkook. Hating that he's intimidated. Fine. The table. But I'm not talking to you. Taehyung. Satisfied. That's acceptable. For now, dinner was tense. Jungkook ate in silence, refusing to look at Taehyung. But Taehyung seemed content just watching him. Taehyung, you're even more beautiful when you're sulking. Jungkook, shut up. Taehyung, see? You are talking to me. Jungkook, slamming fork down. Because you're annoying. Taehyung, slight smile. I know. Eat your vegetables. Jungkook, don't tell me what to do. Taehyung, voice firm but not harsh. Eat your vegetables. You're malnourished and it shows. Jungkook, glaring but eating them. I hate you. Taehyung, I know. More rice? Jungkook, stop being so calm. Stop acting like this is normal. Taehyung, setting down his chopsticks. It's our normal now. You're home, you're fed, you're safe. That's all I need. Jungkook, what about what I need? Taehyung, meeting his eyes. Tell me what you need. And if it's within my power without letting you go, I'll give it to you. Jungkook, I need you to drop dead. Taehyung, not even flinching. Anything else? Jungkook, standing abruptly. I'm going to my room. Taehyung, finish your food first. Jungkook, I'm done. Taehyung, voice dropping to command. Sit down. Finish your food. Something in his tone made Jungkook sit. Jungkook, you're a tyrant. Taehyung, I'm someone who cares about your health. There's a difference. Jungkook finished his plate in angry silence, then stormed off to his room, slamming the door. Taehyung sat alone at the table, finishing his wine, a satisfied expression on his face. Taehyung, to himself, welcome home, my love. Now the real work begins.
The story's over now, I must